With the M12 cable stapler, I'm definitely a lot more efficient than with hammer and staples. It saves a couple seconds each time, and those seconds add up at the end of the day.
I prefer using the cable stapler over a hammer because it's so much quicker. You just hold the cable and shoot in a couple staples.
I've used the Milwaukee Cable Stapler on multiple different kinds of material, and so far I've had no problems, whether it's a piece of coax cable or a piece of NM cable. It's a one-shot application.
The M12 cable stapler drives the staples to the appropriate depth for a single or a double cable. You can also turn it sideways and use it if you're just going to run a zip tie to do multiple cables.
The M12 cable stapler is the perfect size. I can keep it on my belt all day. It can fit in pretty much every spot that you have to staple.
I like the size of it. It's small. As far as ergonomics goes, it's light. It's easy to use. It's not something that's real heavy I'm lifting over my head. It's exactly what we want it to be.
The cable guide makes it really nice not to hit the wires you're stapling. I think it's really easy to use, and it's nice having a LED light to light up in the dark spaces.
The battery on the M12 cable stapler was amazing. It was lasting 2 days.
The capacity of the stapler allows you to get a lot more work done because you can carry 40 staples at one time.
I think it has increased my speed of being able to rough a unit just because I'm able to staple the 10 gauge wire, the 14 gauge wire, the 12 gauge wire all with one staple.
It's real nice having a durable quality tool. It absolutely saves time, and I use it every single day.
Milwaukee makes all the right tools for the job that we got to get done.